Welcome back. Today we are in a highly sought after 2024 BMW M340. So thanks for joining me. Let's talk a little bit about it. Let's talk a lot about it. I love this car because it is the pure essence of BMW and the ultimate driving machine, giving you have that superior balance on the chassis. You have the most awarded engine on the planet, given its output and fuel efficiency. This is going to offer 382 horsepower. It's all-wheel drive, and it's rear-wheel drive bias, meaning it's the true essence also of a sports car and how that should be. So your 0 to 60 times can reach 4.1 seconds. There are tunes available for this car so that you can make it even faster. But even just right out of the box, you can take about 95% of what's next to you at the stoplight. Now this particular one does have the driver assistance professional package, so some automation to your driving. But we'll put it into sport, take it through a nice S-curve. It is a little slippery out this morning, so I won't get too crazy, but you'll be able to hear this inline six sing when it reaches higher RPMs. Now there is some piping of electronics giving you some sensation through the speakers. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capabilities, and then you have your wireless charger. And we're in sport mode for the dynamic driving modes. This is one of my favorite cars. 3 Series chassis has always been superb. The way it turns in, the way it responds. Hear the rumble of the exhaust. Now you do have xDrive here, all-wheel drive. So that's not only good for wet pavement or snow, but loose gravel, wet grass. It's a proactive system, so it doesn't wait for something to happen. It directs power to where it's needed. So this is some of the most fun you can have in a 4-door car. It doesn't look like much from the outside unless you see the M340 badging or the dual exhaust. But fun on the track, autocross, everyday driving. And then check out your miles per gallon on a 382 horsepower car. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's hit this S-curve and watch how precise this shifting and body control is. It'll stay nice and flat. You can lean into the gas. That just never gets old. So I hope you get the chance to try this or one like it. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and your support to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.